I'll never pay full price for travel again after learning these secrets. Ready to save big on your next adventure? In today's world, finding ways to save money while traveling can make a huge difference. Deal alerts and discount apps are becoming increasingly popular for good reason. They notify you about price drops, exclusive offers and flash sales. Let's break down some top tools. First up, honey, it's a browser extension that automatically applies coupons during checkout. Perfect for flights and vacation rentals. Next, Skyscanner and Google Flights. These apps alert you when flight prices drop, helping you book at the lowest cost. But here's the real gem, Llivo. Unlike traditional platforms, Llivo offers personalized deal alerts specifically for vacation rentals. You get exclusive deals without the constant checking. Want more tips? Sign up for multiple platforms to get a comprehensive view of discounts. Be flexible with your dates. And set alerts for your favorite properties. Don't forget mobile apps like Hotel Tonight for last-minute stays and Groupon for local deals on experiences. Timing is crucial too. Booking 3 to 6 months in advance can save you up to 20%. Remember, staying informed can save you hundreds of dollars. Ready to save on your next getaway? Explore Llivo.com today and start planning with confidence.